Welcome back, folks. In this video, I want to talk a little about how to read price, okay? So when you're looking at price, okay, you kind of want to identify order flow, right? So here we've had a nice movement down. Okay, this is all yesterday, right? Thursday, New York session. Let's actually get rid of all these lines. There we go, nice clean chart, okay? And order, so you have a lot of short sellers, okay, from previous day New York, right? That's the dump for the pump. Order flow is bullish, okay? You want to see when you come to Asia some kind of dump. We have that here, right? This is all Asia dumping down. At what point do you see down candles supporting price? This last down candle is the first down candle where price starts to trade above and pulls back into that down candle. So price is now, down candles are now supporting price moving higher. What has this done? This is the last hour of the Asia session, right? On this 15-minute chart, we come down and we take out liquidity, okay? So we've taken out liquidity, right? Moved up, and now we have come back down into this down candle, and price is supporting that move down, right? So as this is coming down, down candle has supporting price, and we've had a nice movement up, okay? Where could this be going? Well, there's equal highs here on the left. Why do I call them equal highs? Clearly, one higher is higher than another. That's relatively equal highs. When you have a high that is lower than the high on the left, that is known as low resistance liquidity, okay? The market will tend to draw towards those types of highs because there have been short sellers in the market, okay? That move down is simply a stop hunt down into existing long traders from the previous session, okay? These are breakout traders, okay? This here is the open of London, right? And this move has continued higher. New York has come down into stop hunt breakout traders from from London, okay? And today the move continues. Order flow is bullish. There are stops above these highs, buy stops, liquidity, and that's where this market is headed, right? It wants to tap into these highs because that's where the money is, okay? So when you look at this and order flow is bullish, you want to wait for the next session, okay? Order flow is bullish from New York, after New York close, all these PM sessions, bullish, 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 okay? We've got equal lows above. We have this dump in Asia, okay? Then we can see that these down candles are now supporting price. Let's drop down into a 5-minute chart, okay? So you can see, it's a lot easier to see on this 5-minute chart. Okay, liquidity is taken, right, with this move down. And when's that happening? At the new hour, right? That's my favorite time to look for trades, right? At the new hour or 30 minutes into the new hour, preferably after the first hour of the session, meaning starting from the second hour of the session, right? And your target should be wherever liquidity resides above. Simply up here is enough, okay? And ultimately, you want to see where is this going. It should be going up here to 25.25. Identify where the liquidity resides, okay? So it could be there. It could be even higher. Up here, again, we have a high, that is lower than the high to its left, equal highs, okay? So this move, this market should be heading up to take out these equal highs and even this equal high on the left, all the way up past 25.30. But you don't have to target the best exit. Even up to here is enough, okay? Or up to here is enough, right? You just take it one step at a time, scalp trade, okay? So always try and identify order flow on a 15-minute time frame in alignment with higher time frame order flow. Try and look for dumps for the pumps, okay? This here, yesterday, New York session dump for the pump. This pump is still intact. It's still moving. Order flow is bullish. Liquidity, where? In the first session of the day, which for me is Asia, right? I classify Asia as the first session for the day. For the US, that's the overnight session, okay? Asia dumps, and we expect a pump. But we don't just get in because Asia dumps. We want to wait for some level of confirmation, right? We want to start to see down candles supporting price as price moves up higher. Easier to see on this 5-minute chart. We have a breaking structure. Look at this 5-minute chart, these 3 down candles, okay? I make a specific mention of 3 down candles because that's when I see the best setups on any time frame. When 3 down candles take out liquidity, and then you get a move up, look for that as your bullish order block. Break of structure, okay? Up, down, into bullish order block. Easy exits right there, okay? You don't need a lot of movement to be profitable so long as your entries are at key times and based on price behavior. So if we took a long from this bullish order block after breaking structure and pulling back down into that inside of the last hour of the Asia session, this is all occurring at the new hour, okay? We enter there at the open, up to there, that's a nice 30 pip move, okay? You don't need a lot of movement to scalp, okay? So this was just a very quick lesson on how to read price, okay? And I'm going to be creating a playlist and adding these to a playlist labeled reading price, okay, tape reading. And ultimately, I do believe that this high will be taken, which is the high of yesterday, Thursday, right? That's the New York session high. When you have a session high, that is typically where the market will be drawing to once you get confirmation of your breaking structure on any pullback down, okay? So entry here on this bullish order block up to there is a nice 80 pips. Okay, so you've got to monitor the charts live to be able to pick up on these things. You can't look at this when the market's closed. You can't come back to this when the move's over. Sure, that helps, but your best learning is going to come when you're looking at the charts live. That doesn't mean you're risking capital and trading these moves. It means you're looking at this at the start of every session, identifying structures when they break, identifying the key ICT signatures such as this bullish order block after taking liquidity, looking at the time that it takes that liquidity here, the brand new hour, okay? Identifying what is the overall market doing, okay? High time frame, we are bullish. Let's look at a 1 hour chart, okay? We have just been going up, 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 and up, okay? This move down is coming into this bullish breaker. Look at this on your own charts, okay? That's where you would expect support, okay? That's happening. Again, look at the time. At a brand new hour, we get this reversal, okay? These two down candles, what's going on there? Coming into this fair value gap. That is a bullish ICT signature. These two down candles will now become the bullish order block as price goes above this open, okay? That is your manipulation in Asia, okay? So you really got to start reading price, right? You got to understand what the market, what's the market doing, okay? Bullish order flow. This is simply a pullback into a key level, right? Into this up candle, which is a bullish order, bullish breaker, right? Up, down. Also stop hunt into anyone that was long from London, okay? Again, up, right? Bullish order flow, looking for these highs, okay? How do you trade that? You look for your ICT bullish signatures. What could that be? Fair value gap, bullish order block. Lower time frame, I've shown you on a 15-minute chart, on a 5-minute chart at the right time, okay? Last hour of Asia, bang, okay? So it all comes down to your study of the charts. You have to invest time, not capital. Invest time. Learn the charts, learn how to read price, learn how to read order flow, okay? Hope the video is useful. I will now talk with you in a future video.